Welcome back! These portable must-haves keep getting better, and number 13 is honestly unbelievable. For those who take their tech seriously, this all-in-one cleaning system is a game changer. From dust hiding beneath your keys to grime in your charging port or smudges on your camera lens, it's designed to handle the delicate details that most tools miss, thoroughly, safely, and with precision. Tucked neatly into a compact, travel-ready case, it includes everything from soft and firm brushes to air blowers, precision tips, a microfiber cloth, a refillable spray bottle, and even tiny tools crafted just for earbuds, SIM trays, and headphone slots. Each item fits perfectly in its own compartment, keeping the whole kit organized, protected, and always ready to go. No more improvising with cotton swabs or paper clips. Whether you're a student, gamer, content creator, or someone who simply values spotless gear, this toolkit helps restore your devices to their best condition, without hassle or risk. Take care of your tech the smart way, wherever you are. This neck massager uses 6 smooth rolling wheels that glide along the muscles and release built-up tension with steady pressure. You can adjust the grip to target stiff spots on both sides of your neck, making it great for long work days, bad sleep positions, or that tight feeling after scrolling for too long. The design lets you control the pressure with your own hands, so it stays gentle when you want relief and firm when you need deeper work. Just a few passes, and your neck starts to feel lighter, warmer, and more relaxed. Built for travelers, gym goers, and daily adventurers, this spacious yet lightweight bag redefines convenience. With a sleek foldable design, it takes up virtually no space when not in use, but expands into a roomy travel companion when needed. Whether you're heading to the airport, packing for a weekend getaway, or just need extra space for shopping, this bag flexes to fit your life. The multiple compartments help you stay organized. From the main section that fits clothes and shoes to smaller pockets, perfect for your phone, chargers, passport, or toiletries. The rear strap easily slides over your suitcase handle, turning it into the perfect carry-on. Water-resistant fabric keeps your items protected from sudden weather changes, while the reinforced stitching and durable zippers ensure it stands up to everyday use. And when the trip's over, just fold it back into its compact form and tuck it away. No bulk, no hassle, just a smart, stylish way to carry more without weighing yourself down. A compact tool like this is great for building grip strength and easing hand tension. The spring offers steady resistance, while the finger loops give you control over each squeeze, making it useful for workouts, rehab, or just keeping your hands active during the day. It's small enough to carry around, smooth to operate, and gives your fingers and forearm muscles a simple, effective way to stay stronger and more flexible. This small counter makes tracking repetitions easy and comfortable. The clear digital display and thumb ready button let you keep counting without breaking your rhythm. It's lightweight, simple to reset, and handy for any routine you want to follow with steady focus. Turn the rollers, roll out a new challenge. This little gadget makes math fun, fast, and hands-on. No screens, no stress, just spin to create endless combinations of addition, subtraction, and more. Each twist brings a new problem, keeping minds active and engaged without ever feeling like homework. Perfect for kids who are learning, parents looking for interactive tools, or adults who want to stay sharp. Whether you're in a classroom, at home, or on the go, it's compact, playful, and way more satisfying than a worksheet. Math practice made simple and honestly, a little addictive. When versatility meets durability, you get a tool that's ready for anything. This folding survival multi-tool is built to handle whatever the day throws at you, whether you're out in the wild, fixing something on the go, or just like being prepared. Its compact design hides serious strength, combining smart function with a rugged, matte black frame that feels solid in your hand. It opens and folds smoothly, locking into place with ease, so every task feels controlled and efficient. Whether you're slicing, tightening, or making quick adjustments, this tool keeps up without hesitation. It's light enough to carry in a pocket or pack, yet tough enough to feel like more than just a backup. It's the kind of gear you bring just in case, but find yourself using far more than you expected. From daily fixes to outdoor situations, it's ready to go when you are, and built to earn its spot in your everyday carry. Kids often struggle with lifting the toilet seat, and that usually leads to touching places they shouldn't or leaving things messy. With this simple little lifter, the whole process becomes cleaner and way more comfortable. The flexible strap wraps securely around the seat, and the soft mushroom handle gives them an easy spot to pull without ever touching the toilet itself. It's gentle for small hands, stays firmly in place, and helps build a routine that feels independent and hygienic. Parents get fewer accidents to clean up, and kids get a small confidence boost every time they use it the right way. This knife set brings a real sense of craftsmanship to the kitchen. The thick, balanced blades give steady control for everything from clean slicing to heavier chopping, and they hold up well in daily use. The wooden handles stand out with their detailed engraved artwork, adding a traditional touch you don't usually see in practical tools. They feel solid and reliable, making them great for everyday cooking while still looking stylish enough to display. It's a duo that blends function, durability, and character in a satisfying way. This sleek handheld steamer fits right in your palm and powers up in seconds. No ironing board, no fuss. Just fill the tank, press the button, and let the continuous steam melt away wrinkles like magic. It works on all your favorite fabrics, from delicate dresses to cotton shirts and even heavier materials. Need a quick refresh before heading out? This tool is your secret weapon for smooth, crisp clothes anytime. Lightweight, portable, and powerful, it's perfect for both home use and travel. No more waiting for the iron to heat up, no more bulky equipment, just fast, easy results. Toss it in your bag, keep it by your vanity, or pack it for a weekend trip. This little roller turns math practice into something a lot more fun and a lot less intimidating. With one smooth motion across the page, it prints a clean row of questions that are instantly ready to solve. The wheels move easily, the numbers come out sharp every time, and kids can use it on their own without needing extra prep or stacks of worksheets. It's great for homework sessions, warm-ups before class, or quick practice breaks during the day. Teachers can use it to create fast exercises, and parents can bring a bit of variety into study time. The cute design makes it feel more like a toy than a study tool, which helps kids stay engaged longer. Long trips, late nights, or sudden blackouts, this lantern's ready for it all. You can charge it by sunlight or USB, and it keeps going when you need it most. With a strong beam, solid handle, and a built-in power bank for your phone, it's the kind of gear that just makes sense. Simple, sturdy, and always there when the lights go out. If recovery is slow or hand strength just isn't what it used to be, this glove steps in to help, literally. The automatic hand trainer gently moves your fingers for you, helping rebuild motion, strength, and coordination without causing stress or pain. Just slip it on, adjust the speed and force levels, and let the smart system guide your hand through controlled exercises. It's especially helpful for stroke recovery, post-surgery rehab, arthritis, or nerve damage. The lightweight design makes it easy to wear daily, and it's quiet enough to use while watching TV or reading. Consistent movement leads to steady progress, and this glove makes that consistency effortless. When getting out of bed isn't an option, this makes things a lot easier. Designed for comfort and ease, this portable toilet is perfect for recovery, limited mobility, or elderly care. The large capacity means fewer emptying trips, and the angled design helps prevent spills. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and works from bed or chair. Simple, practical, and exactly what you need when mobility is limited.